Okay, Rocori students and family, this is a quick tutorial on how to access the chat and call features in Teams. Now, not a huge fan of myself on the web camera, but because I want to show you how to use Teams on your phone and the desktop, I decided to use the web camera today. So looking over at the desktop, you will see once you are in Teams, which I talked about in the last video, over here we have both a chat and a call. So the chat feature is very simple. All you have to do is come in here, type in the name. So if you were looking for me, my first name is Jessica. And my last name is Renicky. Oh, it's not going to find me because I'm logged in as myself. But you would just type it in, and teachers are not all caps, and students are all caps. So I'll just show you my name in case you're not sure about the spelling. And it would find a match. And so then your student could just begin a chat with me. That doesn't mean I would immediate respond, but I would see a notification for a response. They can also still use email by going into Outlook, and I can talk about that too. Calls are here. So how the calls feature works is this will actually send a call to my computer and to my phone. Now, the calls feature would be used if we had like a pre-arranged call for the distance learning for that weekly check-in, or say, for example, parents, you just really needed to get into contact with me. This wouldn't be something you would want to do outside of the normal school hours. If you really needed to talk to me, of course, that would be different. But for students, calling me from a reasonable time in the morning to when the school day would be done is perfect. So here's my phone. Upside down here. So I'm going to show you, I know this might be a little tricky to see, but here is the actual Teams app. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And then I can angle this just right. Okay, down at the bottom, there's just the chat feature, and that is how you access chat and calls. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And you will see up in the corner, there's like this little pencil. For a new chat, you're going to select that. And for a new call, you're going to select that too. So again, you would enter the person's name you're looking for in the to box, and I'm going to do that. I'm just going to I'll use Mr. Stein as a guinea pig, and I won't actually call him. So I've got his name in there. And once you put the person's name in there, you can see that then this phone symbol or video symbol pops up. And so if you hit the call button, again, that's going to call, for me, because I have Teams downloaded, it's going to call my computer and my phone. So this is a great option if you are thinking for on the distance learning days, you might need some help with homework. Maybe you want to do a video call so I can actually see what you're working on. Again, email will also still work. I'm going to go back to the desktop over here and remind students that that's just their Outlook is their email. And you find teachers' names the same way that I was just discussing for our chat. So those are the different ways you can contact me on our distant learning days. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be here happy to help. Thanks so much.